Imagine holding a perfectly shaped juice bottle in your hand. Have you ever wondered how this sleek, transparent container came to be? The journey from raw material to finished product is a mesmerizing tale of transformation. Let's dive into the captivating process behind the creation of juice bottles, where science and engineering work in harmony to produce these everyday marvels. This is a fascinating glimpse into the process of creating juice bottles. It all starts with sand, a seemingly simple material found abundantly on our beaches. This sand is subjected to extremely high temperatures, causing it to melt into a hot, viscous liquid. Once in this molten state, the glass is guided through round openings, creating a continuous flow of molten glass. Automatic tongs, functioning much like giant scissors, slice this flowing glass into equal sections. Each segment of molten glass is carefully cut with precision, ensuring uniformity. These hot glass sections then make their way to the next stage of the production process, descending into an area bustling with automated machinery. Here, robotic arms and molds take over. The molds, meticulously crafted to match the shape of the final juice bottles, are where the real magic happens. Each section of molten glass is placed into these molds. From above, a mechanism blows air onto the glass, a crucial step in the cooling process. This air cooling ensures that the glass hardens and retains the desired shape of the bottle. Every step in this process is essential for creating the sturdy, clear juice bottles we use daily. From the melting of sand to the precise cutting and molding, each phase showcases the incredible blend of science and engineering that goes into producing these everyday items. The automated production line, with its robotic precision and intricate mechanisms, highlights the marvels of modern manufacturing. As we reach the end of this incredible journey, it's awe-inspiring to reflect on the intricate process that transforms simple sand into the juice bottles we use every day. The next time you take a sip from a juice bottle, you'll have a newfound appreciation for the science and technology behind its creation. It's a testament to how far we've come in turning the ordinary into the extraordinary, one bottle at a time.